I'm 32 years old, I'm not married, and I am happy. I am happy. But somehow I feel that the rest of the society is not happy with me being happy. In fact, at this point, they are taking offense to my existence. You know? Because before they were only asking me, now they are threatening me. I remember when they started when I was 24, they were like, next to next to next to At 26, they were like, ab to kar le, ab to kar le, ab to kar le. When I was 28, they were like, kuch problem hai kya, kuch problem hai kya, kuch problem hai? Now I'm 32 and I'm not married, they're coming to me and getting angry on themselves. They're like, hum chute hain kya phir? शादी कर रहे हैं, बच्चा पैदा कर रहे हैं, स्कूल फीस भर रहे हैं, हम पागल हैं? I'm not even kidding. One of my uncles recently entered my house with a knife in his hand. With a knife in his hand. He put it on my dadi's neck and he was like, शादी कर लो वरना मैं दादी को मार दूंगा. And my dadi is like, hey, मुझे मत मारना, मुझे उसका शादी देखना है. How is kidnapper and kidnappee having same demand, man? Like, And my grandmother, I don't understand why she's getting into my marriage, dude. Like, you know, why she is interested in me getting married. Because I feel my grandmother has problems of her own, which she needs to deal with. Like, there's no nice way of saying this. My grandmother, currently in life, she's serving her notice period. Without knowing when the release date is. Like, that's where she is. Serving her notice period without knowing when the release date is. Every day morning she asks HR, ki, when is my release date? And HR also replies, we'll get back to you. Like, I am waiting. My parents are waiting. My relatives are waiting. Everybody's waiting. It's not like we don't care for her, you know. We do care for her. But when you care for someone, that care also comes with some effort, you know. When you're caring for someone, you're also putting some effort. You know, and if you've been putting that effort for like 4 years, 5 years, at some point that question will come in your head, na? कि ये रूम कब फ्री होगा? ये फैन कब तक 1 नंबर पे ही चलेगा? फैन का स्पीड बढ़ा दूं तो I don't know, man. You know how sometimes in movies, as doctors, they remove their glass and they say, हम क्या कर सकते हैं सर? हम बस डॉक्टर है, भगवान नहीं. They usually say that for the patient who is dying. The doctors are saying this for my grandma being alive. They're like, हम क्या कर सकते हैं सर? हम बस डॉक्टर है, भगवान नहीं. पता नहीं क्यों जिंदा है बुड्ढी. Even my grandmother is waiting, dude. Even my grandmother is waiting. Every day morning she wakes up and this is her prayer to God कि क्यों नहीं लेके जा रहा है मुझे? That's how she prays. She wakes up and she's like, क्यों नहीं लेके जा रहा है मुझे? One day I felt so bad for her. I started praying along with her. I was like, लेके तो जाना यार इसको. Problem है तेरा. And that night God came in my dream, dude. God came in my dream that night and he said, Vivek, I heard you praying. And I was like, dude, just because I prayed, don't take her away now. It's Friday night. Weekend का plans है यार मेरा. And God said, no, Vivek, I heard you praying and I wanted to tell you, Vivek, that I am also trying. But the number of medicines that your grandmother is taking now, not really helping the cause, Vivek. I fuck her liver up, she takes medicines, gets it fixed. I fuck her kidney up, she takes medicines, gets it fixed. इतना medicine लेती है, फिर मेरे पास आती है, क्यों नहीं लेके जा रहा है मुझे? मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ यार? मैं बस भगवान हूँ, डॉक्टर नहीं. और अगर जाना ही है तो तुम्हारा साइड से भी थोड़ा एफर्ट डालना. Once when you're going from the bedroom to the washroom, don't take that walker and go na. I can do something in the middle. 3 साल से पैंडेमिक चल रहा है. Ask her to go outside without wearing a mask. I can do something. Vivek, God only helps them who help themselves. फिर भी शादी करके देख लो, क्या पता चले जाएगी. I don't know, man. Every question that my parents have asked me about marriage, I've answered. Dude. The only question that I haven't answered is the only question they haven't asked me. Yeah. And sometimes they don't ask me because I don't think they have the vocabulary. Sometimes I look at them, I can see it in their eyes, the question. They look at me and they're like, he's 32. He's not married. Then how? For those of you who did not understand, the only question that my parents have not asked me is, Vivek, tu sex ke liye kya kar raha hai beta? And they'll not ask me because genuinely they don't have the vocabulary for it, man. Because Indian society has kept sex out of the conversation for so long that do you realize that we do not have a normal word for sex in any of our regional languages? wherever you guys are from, think back to your regional language. We do not have a normal word for sex. Why do we not have a normal word? Because we never spoke about it normally. So there was no need for a word. In fact, if you have to refer to sex in your regional language, you are always stuck with only two options. Either it's a swear word or it's in Sanskrit. These are the only two options in every region. Either it's a swear word or it's in Sanskrit. यहाँ मैं तुम्हें छोड़ रहा हूँ, you know? यहाँ मैं तुम्हें छोड़ रहा हूँ, या तेरे साथ संभोग कर रहा हूँ मैं. Either I'm abusing you or I'm the doctor in the 11 o'clock news. Why are these two the only options that are available? I'm the commentator on Discovery Channel. नर बंदर और मादा बंदर संभोग करने जा रहे हैं. That's how I have to. Telugu also same thing. Either मैं देंगुतुन्नाम like. और रति चेस्तुन्नाम. I mean, what do? I can't use rati chestunnam with a girl, man. I tried once. I was like, baby, rati cheddama. She was like, who is Rati? I'm not ready for a threesome and all. Sorry. We wrote an entire book, man, about how to have sex. We don't have one word left. But population 1.6 billion. Like, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
And I think it's because of that reason only. No? Because you've heard the term, actions speak louder than words. Now you don't have a word, only actions. We've been at it, like, you know what I mean? Like, and the problem with not having a word, now it will start affecting all other words around it. You know? Not having a word will start affecting all other words around it. Why do we have so much double meaning in our dialects? Because the original meaning, we can't use the word. We don't have a word. You know? A lot of words we've lost to. Words that don't have to mean sex now. Just because that one word is not there. Normal transactional words. Lena. Lena. It means sex. Why? Lena. Dena. Dalna. Happy words. Machana. Bajana. Dabana. Everything is... It's like a black hole into which all other words are falling. Because that one word is not there. Like, you know what I mean? You guys are like, when you want to have sex, you're like, hey man, let's have sex because you know English. But imagine this, rest of the country, bedroom mein baith ke damsharaj khel rahe hai, dude, consent ke liye. Have you ever done this, or has this ever happened to you where, consent is assumed between both parties, and you're standing in front of them, but, you need to ask, right? But you don't have the word. So you're just standing in front of them and you're like, baby. There's no word. And then the national word for sex comes out of your mouth. करना है. करना है. The act of doing it itself. Act of doing itself. करना है. मैं कर लिया. मैं करने जा रहा हूँ. Cricketer goes on TV and he says, आज मैं करके आया. And the entire country is offended also. ये कर कैसे बोल दिया यार? National television is छी. Saddest part is name of the cricketer is Hard Dick. उतरा करके बातें लगा थेरेप्यूटिक, अभी मूविंग ऑन टू बेटर थिंग्स, गाने बने